Hi friends, today we're making these beautiful honeycomb ornaments using folded scrapbook paper to create this stunning honeycomb design. They're perfect for your holiday tree or packaged up as a thoughtful handmade Christmas gift. And the best part, they're much easier to make than they look. So let's jump right in. To get started, I'll be using several sheets of 12 by 12 scrapbook paper. I recommend double-sided paper so no matter how the ornament hangs, you'll always see a design, no white space showing through. I'll also be using the Scrapbook.com nested circle die set, and for this ornament I'm using the third largest circle. For this particular size die, I die cut about 28 circles. Now depending on the size circle you choose to make, you may need a little trial and error, but for this specific die, I found that 28 circles gives the best full honeycomb effect. Once your circles are cut, you're going to fold each one in half. You can use a bone folder here to get a really crisp, clean crease. After everything is folded, place a small dab of glue in the center of each folded circle and close it shut. To start building the ornament, take one folded circle and add hot glue along the center fold, then add a little hot glue about a quarter of the way up on one side and repeat on the other side. Next, take another folded circle and place it directly on top, lining everything up. You want to make sure all of the edges are lined up perfectly. You'll continue this same process, stacking and gluing, until you have a complete stack of folded circles or half moons. For the hanger, I'm using a thin gold cord and threading a pearl bead onto it. I'll hot glue the hanger right into the center of the ornament, and then to create the full sphere, I'm adding hot glue down the fold of one half moon piece and again about a quarter of the way up on both the top and the bottom. Now bring the two sides together and hold them in place until the glue sets. Before gluing the pearl down completely, I'm adding a bit of tinsel trim along the top for some extra holiday sparkle. For the final touch, I'm lightly misting the ornament with distressed mica spray and tarnished brass. This gives it a subtle shimmer that really catches the light beautifully. And that's it, a super easy, inexpensive project that creates gorgeous heirloom style ornaments you can use year after year. They also make a wonderful handmade gift for someone you love to help decorate their tree this Christmas and many Christmases to come. I hope you enjoyed this video, friends. Before you go, please don't forget to subscribe and let me know in the comments what's your favorite ornament that you own. It could be from your childhood or something more modern. I'd love to know. Here's wishing you all a wonderful Christmas, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, friends.